Hello friends, this video will help us to download SBSB Fitness Assessment Report Cards. There are two methods by which we can download report cards. These are individual student report card or all students of a class. As we all are aware that dates for Agra region downloading report cards is 29th May 2020 to 2nd June. So we have to download our report cards within this period. Now let us learn how to download the report cards. Let us open any browser, any of the browser, Firefox, Chrome or Internet Explorer. Type fitkavian.com or you can just type fitkavian. Type fitkavian and go to the first link fitkavian.com. You could have directly typed fitkavian.com also. So click on this link. Now you have to enter username and password. In my case, it is already stored in the computer. After entering username password, sign in. Now you will go to reports, term report, select school name, select term. You will select term 2, 2019-20. Please select term 2. Click on view. This will show you the statistic about the whole school. Now there are two buttons, status and view. Through this status button you can see how much work has been done. Click on this view button. Select your class. Let's select any class, say 8th D. We will click on view. This will show all student list and there will be a button against each student name. This might take some time. Yes, this is downloaded. Now you can see all student names are there. I can scroll down and see all students are there, and against every student name there is a button view. So if you click on this view button, it will download individual student report card. And second method for the entire class. Okay, let us see. I'm clicking on this view button. So this report card is downloaded. You can click on this download. You can click this download button. This will download the report card. And second method is, if you click on download report card with the alongside view button, this will download the entire class report cards in a single file. So now the report cards for the entire class is downloaded. It is only visible right now and you can see 1/60. There are 60 pages. Click on this download button. This is only for view. If you click on this download button, it will download the report card in your computer. So this will ask you for the file name. I have not given file name. So certificate 8th D. You can select the folder where you want to save. So this way we have downloaded the report cards. Now let's check where are the report cards. I have saved them to my download folder. Let me go to downloads folder, and here you can see certificate 8th D report card, and the file size is also very low, 479 KB. If you click on this, this has 60 pages for the entire class. And second, I have downloaded for single student Ashutosh Pandit. So this is individual student report card. Thank you and bye bye.